Hi, good morning children. So yesterday we have discussed some numericals. Today we are going to discuss more numericals, and in these numericals I don't like to say in a regular pattern. The question has taken the same question. By doing this question, how we are going to create a new formula which is called trick for NEET or IIT level exams. So now if the question is given this much of big question, for IIT or NEET purpose we won't get much more time. That's why how we can apply the trick for the same question I am going to explain. So first I will do, if this question comes in the regular pattern, how we are going to do, and the same question I will apply for the competitive purpose also. I hope you will feel very comfortable and you will feel easy also. Shall I start the question? Okay, see the question here. If you sit in a parked car, you glance in the rear view mirror, radius, capital R means radius of curvature, is given 2 meter, and notice a jogger approaching, means some person is running, is approaching you. If jogger is running at speed of 5 meter per second, how fast is image of the jogger moving when the jogger is at 39 meter, at 29 meter, and lastly at the 9 meter. Out of these three, any one case I will explain in our regular method. Second two things we are going to apply the tricky method. Is it clear for you? Okay. For this given question, I hope you understood that. Sir, here we are sitting in one car, we are seeing in rear view mirror. What is mean by rear view mirror? Side view mirror. Side view mirror generally we are going to use which type of mirror? That is the convex mirror. So now why we are going to use the convex mirror already you know. That's a rough diagram I am making. Sir, this is the convex mirror. This is the principal axis. Pole, if you are going to imagine, you are going to get a center of curvature is this side. Then I am writing capital R equal to plus 2 meter. Then focal length equals to plus 1 meter, because focus is midpoint of center of curvature and pole. One thing is the clear. By using this information, I wrote focus. This is the right side going to happen, sir. One thing is clear. Second thing is, a person is, a jogger means person, is approaching with how much speed? 5 meter per second. And how fast is the image the jogger will move when the jogger is at 39 meter? Just imagine that the person is at this location. I am going to take this position is A given. Then I am going to take this is the position A. The person is here. How much distance? Sir, U equals to left side minus 39 meter. Clear? Very good. If the person is at 39 meter, we are going to see one image. Second thing, but this person is not standing. What is the information given? This person is moving with 5 meter per second. What is the meaning of 5 meter per second? Means per 1 second he is going to travel how many meters? 5 meter. Then I am going to say, sir, this is the position before 1 second. After 1 second, this is he traveled more 5 meter. This position I am giving the A dash. Then please tell to me what is the distance traveled by jogger in 1 second means 5 meter. Then once observe what I want to calculate. I want to calculate speed of image of the speed of the image. Then what I am doing here, please try to observe. Sir, here object traveled in 1 second is 5 meter. Then how much distance is going to traveled by the image means I am getting idea like this. First person is at 39. He is going to give one image. Where he is going to give the image means I am going to say, just imagining that he is going to give the image is here. This name I am giving I. After 1 second object travel to here, Jaga travel to here, then image also going to be travel, but time duration is same. So now when the object came to here, then what is the position I am going to find, that is the I dash. Then I am going to say what is meant by I dash. Distance traveled in 1 second. This is distance traveled in 1 second. This is distance traveled also in 1 second, but it is by image. Then I am going to say, according to definition, distance traveled by image in 1 second is called speed of the image. I hope you understood my concept. So now please try to apply that thing. Now when the object is at 39, you have to find out the position of image. When object came to here, I am going to give that name is the u dash. U dash equals to how much? Before it is a 39, up more 5 came front side. Then I am going to say u dash equal to 39 minus 5, 34 meter. This is also left side. So now first we have to find out the distance of the image for the 39. You will get the 1v. Again you have to find out distance of the image for the 34. You will get the one thing. This distance traveled changed in how much time? This it is changed in 1 second. 1 second. Therefore changed displacement in image also in 1 second. Then that is called speed of the image. So please try to apply that concept and do it. First case I am writing here, when an object at 39 meter, then what is the formula? U equals to minus 39, F equals to 1 meter, then V equal to question mark. Then we know the formula, 1 by V equals to, 1 by V plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Simply I am doing this one, 1 by v equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. If you do the LCM, f u minus f, then v you are going to get f into u by u minus f. This formula we got by simplifying this one. So now substitute the values in this formula. You are going to get v equals to, f is how much children? 1, and f is the 1, u is minus 39 divided by u is minus 39 minus 1 equals to minus 39 by minus 40, minus minus get be cancelled, 39 by 40 meter. What is mean by this one? This is position of the image. Next one, after 1 second it is traveled 5 meter because speed is a 5 meter. Then I am going to say after 1 second, object to moves to how much? 39 minus 5 equal to 34 meter. Then here u equals to minus 34 meter, f equals to 1 meter. Simply v equally directly you are going to get v equals to 1 into minus 34 divided by minus 34 minus 1 equals to minus 34 by minus 35, minus minus get be cancelled. This is 34 by 35 is the distance of image. Now see, before 1 second image was here, after 1 second image is here. Then now what is meant by velocity means I am going to use the formula. Sir, velocity of an image equals to final position minus initial position by time taken. This formula you know very well. Then I am going to say what is the final position means 34 minus 35. Then 34 minus 35 minus initial position how much? 39 by 40 divided by what is the time? To take the 5 meter it has taken 1 second. In the same 1 second it is jumped from here to here. Then time is the 1 second. Then if you are going to simplify this one, you are going to get 35 into 40. Then 40 into 34 minus 35 into 39 children. If you are going to simplify this one, you are going to get the answer. This is in the meter per second. Clear? Because it is the 1 second is there. Now I don't like to waste your time, that's why I am not going to multiply. You can multiply and you can divide it, you are going to get the answer. So this is the regular method and easy method to get the answer, to find the speed of the image. So second case, you are going to take u equal to 29 and you will get the one position of the image. And after 1 second it is going to move the 5 meter. Then second position is 29 minus 5, 24. Then you are going to get the position of image. This is changed in the 1 second. Final position minus initial position is nothing but change in the position in the 1 second, that is called velocity. Is it clear for you? But here I want to discuss, this is the regular method sir, but this I am feeling little bit lengthy sir. I want to apply tricky way, I have to say very easy answer. So now just I will rub. Okay, now this question we have to apply the easy method, means direct answer is required. In this case once observe, I am not going to take 5 or 1 or anything children, simply I am going to tell here object position is first is the u, second position is the u dash. Then the object is traveling with some speed. What is the object speed means I am going to write here u naught. This is the object speed. When object is moving with some speed, automatically image also going to move some speed. Then I am going to say image speed is v naught. Then once observe question, we have to find image speed, which is given. Object speed is given. Here it is speed is given per second. Sometimes I want to say, sir, per second I don't want. At this location what is the speed? At this location what is the speed? That is called instantaneous speed. Instant means, for example, when you are going on bike, simply ask the question, what is your speed? You are seeing the speedometer 41 km per hour. Next, before just you didn't travel 1 meter also, then I asked what is your speed? 44. Like that you are going to say that speed is called instant speed. So now I want to find the speed, image speed, which is given object speed. Then I am going to use the formula, this one. V equals to, what is the formula children? V means position of image, not velocity. V equals to Fu by U minus F star. Then U is position of object, V is position of image. Then how I am going to get velocity? You know very well. If for example x is the displacement or position, this is the displacement. What is the velocity means? Dx by dt is velocity sir. Then I am going to apply the same principle here. If I am going to do dv by dt equals to d by dt of Fu by U minus F. I hope you understood now. I am going to apply the differentiation of position, going to get the velocity. Then I am going to write dv by dt is nothing but velocity of whom? Image. Now in this right side, if you observe clearly, u is going to be changes with respect to time, but f is belongs to whom? Sir, mirror, that is the focal length. Focal length is not going to be changes. So now I am going to take f is the constant. So dv by dt equals to, I am writing v naught. V naught equals to f is the common, d by dt of u minus u by u minus f. It is d by dt of a by b. You know the formula, d by dt of a by b is, what is the formula, children? More than me, you only know. Very good. B square, b constant, dA by dt minus a constant, dB by dt. Do that thing. So now which is we have to do square? Sir, denominator square, u minus f whole square. Very good. Denominator is the constant, u minus f is the constant, d by dt of u. Very good. Minus, which is constant? Numerator is the constant, d by dt of u minus f. Then what you are going to get, children? If you don't mind, I will write this side. See there, u minus f, v naught equals to, v naught equals to u minus f. U minus f is the constant, du by dt, change in position of object is what? Object speed. I am writing here u naught, minus u into d by dt, I am applying inside, d by dt of u naught. Second thing is d by dt of f is for constant, that is the 0. Then now if you divided by u minus f whole square, then v naught equals to u into u naught, u naught in minus f u naught minus u naught divided by u minus f whole square. Now u naught get be cancelled, children. V naught equals to means velocity of what? Velocity of image equals to, what you got? Minus focal length into, what is meant by u naught? Velocity of an object, easy to wrote, of object divided by u minus f whole square. What is meant by u? Position. What is meant by f? Focal length. So now for the second case 29, this much of regular method no need. If you remember this formula, what is the representing here? Minus. That minus is v dash never be negative. For example, if you are moving this side, means you are moving towards the mirror side. Jogger coming towards the mirror side means image will come this side. Means direction of the image, direction of the object, both are in opposite direction. To represent that thing only we got here minus. So now for 29 meters, how we are going to apply? That previous I told, lengthy, that much is not required. If you remember this formula, you are going to say, sir, velocity of image equal in the place of the f, you are going to apply 29, and in the place of the object velocity 5 divided by 29 minus 1 whole square, 28 whole square. Then you are going to get the answer. I hope you enjoyed this question. Okay, we will take the one more question.